What's up, guys? Good morning. Welcome to 12M Hustle. All right. Let's make sure we are live. All right, cool. We are live. Awesome. So, what's up, guys? How we doing today? Hope you guys are having a good one. Let's turn a little bit of light on back here. There we go. All right. What's up? So, we had some trading this morning. I traded the news at 5:30. So, we had a F. We had some of these FOMC minutes. That was yesterday. Today we had CPI, I believe, 5:30. I traded some of that. That was nice. Let's break down what I did. So I got chopped to hell off the 15 minute. Actually, we'll go on a 5 minute so you guys can see. So basically, on a 5 minute, what happened was I tried the long A's. I got worked out on slippage. I got worked out about 5, 6 times. On the eighth time, 40% win rate today, I switched over from micros over to minis. I did one mini scalps and I started scalping this. Scalp drop, short, waited for a repeat up, scalp. And I just started scalping. And then I went ahead and switched over accounts and I scalped the bottom, did a floor break here, and covered that drop. So that was the play for today. Let me go ahead and show you guys the accounts. By the way, I hope you guys are having a good morning. Whoop, sorry. Hope you guys are having a good morning. Good morning. Stay blessed. Stay blessed for all my Florida people out there. Stay blessed. Stay safe. Let me go ahead and show you guys what we got going on. Let's see. Whoa, what is this? What is this? There we go. All right. So I'm going to switch accounts. I locked it out. I did lock out the account because I made a profit. And here it is. So let's break down what happened this morning. So here was good P&L. Here's where I'm at right now. 44% win rate. And here's the part. I was up actually 1,000, but I gave back 150 because I risked that. I said at 150 I'm out. I'm not giving my whole profits back. If you're green up pretty well, you can give back 10, 5%, and then lock yourself out. That keeps your greed in check. So I was down, about 302. I was down about $700, and I tried to keep my DDL, which is daily loss, at 600, but I moved it because I saw the sell off. So that was today, and that was it. That was the account. Now on the other account, I was in a trade live in the morning, but it just happened so fast. I actually forgot there was news, so I just went to it and I just traded. Here's my other account. Not bad. Sick ass profit factor, win rate, and then I traded a couple times too. I did that short and I stopped because I just didn't want to give that back. So on this account, which is what I'm gonna trade for the rest of the day, if I decide to trade, I'm watching this 5 minute. I want to take a long, but I'm gonna be very, very, very picky. So I'm looking at a 30 minute. I'm looking at a 15 minute. Did a little bit of a breakout there. It's 6:04. I'm gonna wait till after the open. I am gonna wait after the open. I'm just gonna chill. I'm okay with not taking any trades right here. Um, if I get a floor drop here off the open, I'll take a short. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna chill and wait. I'm just really, you know, I don't want to get back gains. Number one, number two. Shit, I made money. I'm up. It's a good day. I made about together. I made $1,000. Shit, that's good ass money. I'm cool with that. You know what I'm saying, guys? So, yeah, that's what we're doing for right now. Game plan for today is we did have news. Nice quick drop. I still think we're going up over all that gap yesterday. We got midway gap fill. We have room to the bottom, but we need to take out floor stops. We need to take out longs off here. So until we get a floor stop down here, I won't take a trade. You know what? This is what I'll do. Because I do got to get some work done. There we go. Boom. If we don't get a floor drop here, I might be done for the day actually. And I'll take my 259 and lock myself out by 8 o'clock. So that's the game plan. I'm going to keep it real fucking simple today. Keeping it tight, keeping it simple. I want to see the open. If we get a flush down, I'll risk $50. That'll leave me like at 201. So I'll take it. And then I'm going to try to risk 50 to make a hundo. 50 to make a hundo, Get them base hits. So I'm up 259. Um, yeah, pretty simple. If I do get stopped out, I'm gonna fucking lock in that $200 because on Topstep you do want to lock in your 5 days of $200. Get those payouts. Get those payouts, dogs. Lock that up. Once you get those 5 days locked in for your first payout, then you're good. You can go ahead and fucking take a hundos, 50 hundos every day. Small base hits add up, and wait for nice days like today. That was a nice sell off. I did get chopped up. 40% win rate. That's a good example of what it is to take your losers on the chin, control your losses, don't hold on to losers, and then when you get a winner, you can either scalp out to get break even, or you can hold it. And I did have like my two of my winning trades. I scalped out real quick because I was at 800. I wanted to get it back down to 4, and then my last trade, I actually put that mini and I held for that floor drop, and I was like, man, I'm not gonna lie, I was clinching butts right there because it was like, stops me out. Then I'm down back to 600. But I just saw the movement. And I had to trust myself, and that's what real trading comes down to. Be you got to trust yourself that you're reading the price to action correct. That everything's good, and then when it comes, it's payday, baby. When it comes, it's payday. It's payday. Today was good payday. I didn't take any overnight trades last night, and that being because chopping this shit. I had an order here, and I didn't take it because it was like what is that? Fucking 12 o'clock, so I'm sleeping. Had this move happen, this 10:45. Had it happened like at 7, I would have took it for a short, kept the previous day high as a stop on a 1 micro, but it's all good. Yeah, Asia's got it like this play the day before. This happened early. That's the play I'm looking for a repeat on this. It happened like at 5 p.m. I'm looking for that move, but that happened this Asia a little bit later in the night. So I said, fuck that. I just didn't do it. But all good in the hood. This is what we're trading. I got a 15-minute up here. I got a 15-minute over here. I'll put a 30-minute on. We're gonna be real patient this morning. We already got our W's on one of the accounts. We locked it up. Made a nice little A40, nice little peg day on that. Base hits, all good. We ain't trying to, go balls to the wall and blow yourself up. You just gotta take them base hits. And that's it, man. I'm just waiting. I want to see a floor drop break. If we get a floor drop, I'm going to look for the next target, 2279. I drew up my levels based off of weekly levels. So if it reclaims this level, I'm looking for a previous day. I'll take this off. If we can reclaim this, I'll look off the open. I might look for a long, might not, but this is a huge gap that I don't want to fuck with. I don't want to get chopped up. So that's the biggest thing about today. And we almost filled yesterday's gap. You see that? Almost halfway. So bulls could take over and we could have another breakout day. News had a good way of catching liquidity. It caught me. I said I got slipped 5-6 times. That shit sucked. But I hope you guys are having a blessed day. I got some emails to do. And yeah, when I mute myself, guys, it's because I work from home. So if you're new to my channel, I do work from home and I do trade. So just FYI. And then past 2 days I haven't been streaming because I've been doing overnight trades, and they're for my phone. So kind of hard to stream from my phone. Quality looks like shit. So past 2 days been winning days, but been trading the Asian session. Didn't trade it last night. Traded this morning. Forgot there was news this morning actually, and I just saw the movement and looked up and I just took some trades and then got into fight mode. Lasted 15 minutes of trading, and that was it. Trade the price action. So, but I did get stopped out a lot this morning. I did get smoked on getting stopped out, but it was okay because we got the W. We flipped when we had to. We took 6-5 losses on the chin. And then when we saw that we were wrong, our thesis was wrong, we switched over to a little bit more risk, but same, a little more bigger size, but same risk. So I had one mini, but I still had my stops at 150 to 200. So I upped my risk from 50 to 200, and then I mean that would have had to take another 6, 7 losses in a row to blow it up. But I felt pretty confident of what the trade was doing, what the price action was doing, and I started scalping out. And once I was down 200, I felt in the mood, in the mode basically, in the flow of things. Took one more scalp. I was break even. I could have stopped there, but I saw that I wanted to continue. It hadn't hit that level that I had marked. That 20, I actually have 2330 on there on another chart. I'll put that up for you guys. That was another level on the daily, so I hadn't hit that, and then I was reaching for that. Once it did hit that, I stopped, and that was like down here to like a T where it stopped there. I actually have a level there on a daily, so stopped there. Then I just waited and flipped over to the other account, took a quick short. Not big size, same thing. One mini tight stop. I was gonna stop either way, and then once I got the W, I went ahead and I just stopped trading. I locked the other one out. I almost tried to overtrade on the other one, lost 150 and just locked it out. Said I'm good, and then switched over to this account, and now I'm just chilling, waiting. So I do feel like this is the best way to trade when it comes to prop accounts. Is once you're green on the day, just sit back and wait. Just cause I mean you're green, you don't have to really trade. You can just set orders, kind of like what I just did, and just wait. I'm just waiting. I got an order set, guys. I'm just doing some work. I'm just gonna let it see if it hits. Got 613. It's 613, and I'm waiting to see if we get something off the open. I'm gonna keep it tight. I'm gonna look for a 2 to 1 trades for the rest of the day on this one. If I can get a break of the floor, and then look for that risk that 50 to get that at least. I even take some 1 to 1s, take another 50 or take 100, but we'll see. We are gonna keep it tight. Keep it tight. Keep it right. Pretty quiet. It's just chopping. It's chopping. Nothing's happening right now. I think it's waiting for the open to make a choice if we're gonna flip over up to VWAP. I do have the VWAP up here. Yep, the yellow line. If we're gonna flip up to VWAP and go up, or if we're gonna continue down. I don't want to long this, chasing this. If I'm gonna long, it's gonna be above this level, looking for a previous day high breakout or looking for a target up there. This is the shit I don't want to get stuck in, right? In this, we could just chop the rest of the day because the move already happened. We could just chop, 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 chop. I don't want to get stuck in chop. So really, that's what you want to do when you kind of have a trade idea. Just for example, yesterday, here's yesterday, right? You had chop for like a good 30 minutes, stop people out, chop, chop, chop. And then when it finally gave the move, you either got exhausted or you were out of bullets and then you were screwed. So here's that 6:30, 6:45. Got to move and then you got stopped out. Big wicks, big range. That's the thing. You got some nice big wicks and big ranges. So, yep, just gonna wait it out. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a good morning. Happy Thursday to everybody. I gotta make a quick little call. I'm gonna mute myself real quick. All right, guys, I'm back. Um, yeah, interesting stuff I do for work. Anyways, let's see. So, 6:19, still not 6:30. I'm interested to see if we get a pop down. It's just chilling right here. I mean, you could take a short right here off the break of this floor, but that's on a 15 minute, right? On a 30 minute, I would feel much better towards the short, a little bit stronger. Here's a 5 minute. Here's what a 3 minute's doing. And I don't usually trade off a 3 minute, only if I'm trading a mini. Um, but I'm trying to keep trading minis out of it. Once I get this account to 5,300, then it's micro galore, and it's fucking going to town, right? You can put on nice little 2, 3 micros and just scalp your ass away because you don't get charged commissions, which is a big deal because when you're trading your personal account, commissions kick your ass. got? What do we got? Oh, a little 5 minute breaking out. 6:22. I know. Trading is kind of boring sometimes. A lot of people just trade news, like what happened this morning, and they're done for the day because you get your little 15 minute, 10 minute of a dopamine hit, and then you're just like, all right, I'm out. Great trade, guys. Which works for them. That's not nothing wrong with that. I might just take that order off, and I want to cancel that order, and I'm actually gonna flip it on here, and I'm interested to see if it takes it. Like I said, I'm not feeling. I'm feeling the just watch and only trade good ass moves kind of type of trading today. You know what? That's what I'll do. I'll put that here. This is a paper account on my trading view. I have them established on TradingView. I even have some on Topstep when I lock myself out for the day and I'm not streaming. What I'll do is like the past 2 days I haven't been streaming, I won't stream, but I'll still log on. Let's say I traded Asia, I'll go on here and I'll trade the 150K practice account just to get my scalps in for the first 2 hours, and then at 8 I stop. So, little tip for anybody that wants to do that. Oh, my bad. Let's see. Hopefully that's better. What's going on, brother? How we doing? One stop trader. Hopefully that's better, brother. Hope you're having a good morning this morning. Don't know if you're driving to work, but if you are, be safe, be safe. Yeah, I was just saying earlier, I traded news this morning, locked myself out, got a nice little 800. I was up 1,000, but I gave back 150 on one of my accounts. Locked that account out, done trading the news. Okay, awesome, good stuff. Now I'm on my second account, and basically I don't know if I'm going to trade or if I'm going to be done for the day. Okay, driving into work. Cool. Well, thanks for dropping by, brother. Hope you drive safe. Watch out for all them early drivers in the morning. But I'm going to go over this one more time real quick for all my peeps. I locked this out this morning. Like I said, I traded it. Let's go over stats real quick. Here's the account this morning. So we got 44% win rate. Profit target 1.92. Like I said, I got stopped out. I got some nasty slippage on Top X. I had $50 stops. I got stopped out 6 to 5 times. I don't remember exactly. But my average trade durations are about a minute 17. Quick scalps. Here's my average trade. Here's my average losing trade. This is kind of what I want to see. This bigger than this. And I definitely want to see this. Best trade 782. Worst trade 302. I want to see that 2 to 1, 3 to 1 ratio, because that's going to keep me in the game long term. You can see that here's my win, here's my losses. Under 15 seconds, try to cut my losers, so that's good. And then keeping these winners up 30 minutes, that's what I want to do. I want to hold those winners longer. And then that's the calendar. So you guys can see, yeah, here we go. Here's a good example. Stopped out. I got stopped out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got stopped out 6 times until I was able to fucking get winner, chicken dinner. Then I took one more loss. Then I was done. And then this current account. Here's this account. This account's pretty sick. Good. 84% win rate. But today's win was 40%. And then profit factor, pretty crazy. Usually it doesn't stay that way. But here's how it's been. Monday. This definitely, I wish I could keep it like this all the time, right? Average winning trade 46, average losing $5. Best trade 447, worst trade 17. I know that's not realistic, but that's kind of what I want to keep it at. Again, my winners need to be like this. Keep my winners holding. I need to cut down on holding my losers. I need to cut my losers a little bit less time. And then this is what I have for the week. So started off solid. base hits, and now I'm just chilling. Actually, I did take a stop out in the morning, and then I got 2 wins. So that is what it is for today. And like I said, I might just not trade. I'm waiting to see if we initiate a floor break here. I'm just going to wait and watch. Opens happening in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. But yeah, I've been trading the past 2 days. I've been trading the Asian session and the London session. That's why I haven't been streaming for the past 2 days. So, because I'll just lock out the account. I don't want to give back gains is my biggest thing. My biggest hinder when it came to prop trading or my personal trading is I'd fucking come up massive days, 1K, 2K days on personal accounts, 4K days when I was trading small caps, fucking 10K days, 15K. And then I go on and trade for the rest of the day and I get stopped the fuck out. And I would lose the whole 5K and then I would lose more. And it'd be like, that mentally fucks with you. It's like, oh, dude, you're up 6K, you're up 1,000, you're up $800. Why not just lock it in and be done with the day? Go on with your day. Go on and work, or I don't know, go to the gym, figure some shit out, right? But that was the biggest thing, because greed's a bitch, man. You always want to make more. So until when you've been trading long enough, you just got to be like, all right, cool. I won today, awesome. I made $100, cool. I made $100, I made $50, cool. Any day you take money off the table is a good day. Any day you take a loss, that's okay if you kept it controlled. You take a $600 haircut, you're like, cool. I made 4 days of $300. I can take 600. That means I had only one good day, and that one good day was for the week. And my one bad day only took out 2 days of work. That's kind of which golden rule we had in for all my small cap traders is when you lose, go ahead and lose. All good. Lock yourself out for the day. Don't lose more than you can make in 3 to 4 days. Try to keep it between 2 days is a golden rule. So if I'm making an average of, let's say, $500 in small caps every day, 500 times 5, what is that? 2,500. That means on my worst day, I can't be losing more than 2,500. That means it'll just take me a week to make it back. Small base hits, right? But if you're over here losing, your best day is 2,500, and you're over here losing $6,000, $8,000, you're shooting yourself in the foot. And it took me forever to understand that shit. It took me years. I've been in the game since 2018, 2017, really. I did a little bit of options, Robinhood, Bitcoin. It's 2024 now, so I've been in the game for a minute. Also, for all my Topstep people that are trading Topstep, they're having this like VIP giveaway. I've been watching their stream. I just put it on mute. I don't really care for what they say when they trade. I trade my way. And you can sign up. You got to watch it, sign a form. But the cool thing is I think they're giving like two accounts, 2 free resets. They're doing like 100K. Oh, we are open, by the way. The open just happened 6:30. So I want to see a flush here. If we get a flush of the floor, if this order fills, I'll go ahead and flip that short on. But anyways, so that's pretty cool. I've been watching them doing that too. November. Okay. Let me see. I can't really. November 21 options. Oh, okay. Probs here. Okay. I didn't know that. Yeah, like I said, I was in the options game for a minute, and then I got out. I could never fucking understand delta, gamma, all that shit. That shit was hard for me. I was like, the fuck is gamma? The fuck is delta? I don't fucking alpha. What the fuck is all this crap? So I never understood that. Now they have 0% or 0 days DTA and all that, where it's basically you're just fucking flipping a quarter like up. Today we're gonna fucking end up green, or today we're gonna end up red. It's like roulette, and then if you win, and then you make money depending on when you sell the call or when you puts or stuff like that. But I was never good at it, so I kind of stopped the options game. Yeah, I didn't know that. That's cool. Safe driving for sure, man. Yep. Like I said, we could get a pop up to VWAP. Get a pop up to there's a pop. There's a pop. Look at that. I do have the dome there on the right side. It's going. They're popping it. So I could join off the long, risking that bottom. But again, I'm short biased, so I'm a short guy. My shorts are better than my longs, obviously. As you could tell this morning, or most of my trading days, is I get smoked on longs. Sometimes I'll catch some good longs, but it's really hard for me to catch some good longs and make good money. Most of my money is made short, but I am trying to work on getting better longs. So this wouldn't be a bad spot to get long. I just feel like we're gonna chop, and I don't want to be part of the chop zone. I'd rather just not trade the rest of the day or the rest of the morning. But it is going for like a little breakout. 633. 633. On a 15 minute and on a 5 minute did a higher high. If we're going to be range bound, it's just going to pull back and just keep going, doing the yo-yo dance. See how that pulled back there? I was about to jump in long on that. Ideally, I have a 15 minute. If maybe it comes down here, you can go long and risk off the bottom of that wick. I'm just thinking about risk. See, we're in this zone that I'm not digging. I want to see it prove itself, push, and then go. I also got one of my homies, can't say his name, but another long. I've been trading with him for like 5-6 years, same shit. He's got an algo he let me look at, and invite only from him, but I'm looking at another screen like this on a 2 minute, 1 minute, and he trades based off of it. Let me show you guys. And this is what it looks like. And it kind of like tells you kind of late when to short or when to, but it's pretty cool. Like a little signal. I have it on the side too. I look at it sometimes. So if you guys see that, tell you when to short, long. Usually he trades it after 6:45. So, but it's a cool little thing to look at. Short, long. Yeah, I look at it sometimes. Looking at it now, actually, I'm going to see. I might take my next trade actually based off of it. That's my dog. Probably going to have to go let him in. Anyways, I don't want to keep it on here I don't want it to, change your judgment if you're taking a trade or something. There we go. So I have it on another screen, and I'm just watching it. See if it gives any signals. But yeah, I mean, based off here, they could just go for the push. Ideally, on a short side trader, you want to see a push up to VWAP, push, chop, come back down. Once we break this level here, you're going to look for a short and then look for a flush. Pull back and then short. But I'm just watching 636. I'm just going to watch till about 640. We'll see where we're at on it. Hope you guys are having your coffee this morning. Get that coffee in, Wife's mom just brought back some Filipino coffee from the Philippines. Macadamia. Shit's pretty good. another call real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and mute myself real quick, guys. Just give me a sec. All right, guys, I'm back. So let's take a quick little long. Let's see if we don't get stopped out. Quick little long on here. $50 stop. Let's see. See if we're gonna be a range bound 640. So not a bad time to take a trade if I'm gonna take it. Keeping it tight though. Keeping it tight. Oops, 640. Yep, it's my 640 alarm that just went off. Yeah. All right. That was my 640 alarm that just went off, and it was to see if we get a push. Let's see. Not a bad spot to have a stop. Let's see. Could get smoked out here. If it pushes, I'll add to it. Trying to only add to winners, not to losers. 641. See, do the bulls come back? Do the shorts come in and kick some cakes? Let's see what happens. We'll add to the position if it goes in my favor, it goes up. We'll practice the adding the winners. Gonna wait for it to go. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Nope. Let's see. 641. Let's see. I'll add to it if it pushes into the green. Okay, just added to it. Just added to a winner. Let's see if we get chicken dinner, chicken dinner. Get another push. Okay, took one off. There we go. Now we can take a nice little $50 haircut if we get wrong. Now we're at 265 on the day, so if I get stopped out, I'm cool with that. I'm gonna let it run. Let's see. Cool. We're gonna let that ride. If we get pushed up to VWAP, we can put a stop. We can put an even break. So it's all about see if we can get a push. 643 coming up. See if he wants to give chicken dinner, chicken dinner. Chicken dinner. Let's put a break even stop. Break even, free trade. All right. Took that out. That was a free trade. Now I want to put it back on, but I want to wait. Let's see. One more pullback. Give me another pullback. Waiting to see if we can get a pullback here. Guess not. We added to that. Let's see if we get a push then. Push. No push. Okay, to get stopped out there. Keeping it tight. Looks like bulls want to come back in and take it, but 644. Added to that one. Waiting to see if we can get a push. There's a push. Cool. Little scalps here and there, and I'm just waiting to see if we can get another push. Thesis is still right. We still got a $50 stop. This bitch needs to go. She needs to push up. Let's see. She gonna do it for the chicken dinner. We added to that. We're gonna see if we can get the chicken dinner, chicken dinner. Might not. Ideally, if we're wrong, I'm trying to get the right side of the bias here. There's a 15. She takes this out. This is a pretty good stop right there. 2 micros, trying to see if we get range bound or get stopped out here, or if we get a push to VWAP. 645. So at this point, you should either get a push or a flush. But it's doing that grindy shit that I hate too. Okay, let's see. Push it, chicken dinner. We gonna add to a winner? Let's see. We added to the winner. Trying to get into that habit of adding to the winners. See if we get stopped out. We'll risk a little here if we get stopped out. Let's see. Trying to see if we're going to get stopped out on 3 micros. Interesting to see if we get smoked here. That was my dog that just opened the door. Just gonna let it play out. See if it stops me out. It's about to stop me out, which is fine. So it took me out. Nice, took me out. We're gonna flip short. We're gonna flip short. Flipping short, flipping short. Just flip short, guys. Trying to get a push down, trying to get a push down. Let's see. We got 6 micros. Trying to get the flush, trying to get the flush. Trying to get the flush. Trying to get the flush, guys. Because we're trying to get the flush. Taking some off as we're going down. Taking some off as we're going down. Let's go, let's go, let's go, boy. Let's go. All right, we're back to green. We're back to green. We're back to where we were at before we got smoked on that fucking long that I was talking about. Money. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Flush it down. All right. Stopped out. We're going to take a micro 50 stop there. We're going to see if we can get a flush down to that target we wanted. Here's the target. Here's the target, guys. That was great trading on risk management there. That's good stuff. That 15-30 minute broke. We broke that low on a 30 minute. Let's see if we get a flush or if she's going to reclaim. Did say it was 645. Let's see. We're going to add to that winner. Add to the winner chicken dinner. Chicken dinner. Let's go. Let's go, chicken dinner. I might just keep it short. I want a free trade. There we go. Free trade. Free trade. We love free trades. 304. Profits at 304. We're going to take a 50 stop right here. 50 stop. And if we get flushed down, we'll add to it. If we get stopped out, that's fine. Oop, stop out. We're back to 253. We're back to where we were at. Good stop out. Let's see. Take another short. See if it stops us out. We added to that winner. Got a flush. Flush chicken dinner. Money. There we go. That was just a pullback that took us out. Do you want to see it push down to that level? Can't get that fucking level, dude. If we get a floor break, I'll go short. If not, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I want to get that 222.58, but she's reclaiming pretty good. Might just lock out at 305 on the day. Let's see. Let's see. I'm waiting. Oh, nice little pullback. We got a nice pullback on that. If we can get to like right here, that's a nice little short. Let's see. I'll take this. I'll take that short. That's pretty good. It's pretty tight. Let's see. If we get a flush here. Looking for a flush. Come on, do it, do it, do it, do it. Taking some off there. Nice flush. Nice weight on the pullback. Free trade. Free trade. Everybody loves free trades. Now I'm just scalping, taking free trades. Let's go. Come on. Give it to daddy. Give it to daddy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. You know you want to come to daddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. We're trailing this one. I want to see a push down. Push down. Oh, well. Stop me out in profit. All good. All right, now I'm just going to wait, and we're going to wait for another floor push down. That was good. Good stuff, guys. You guys saw that? That was good. Good trading right there. All right, that was good stuff. Awesome. Love it when I trade the plan. Took that short on that pullback. That was a good pullback short. And now I'm chilling to see what we got going on here. I don't want to take another short here because I'm also watching on another screen that 2 minute, the one that I talked about. And I also said to exit that short. So now I'm just chilling to see what we get. Now the question is, if we get a breakout here, we could break it out. Well, let's see. Chicken dinner. Not a bad short to take here. I would take that. We'll take that. We'll do half risk on that. Felt like a pretty good little scalp short there. Pretty tight top of that bar right there. I'm not going to add to it. I'm just going to let it ride. Feels good on a 15 minute. Oh, nope. Guess not. It's probably going to stop me out. Says kind of like $30 stop. Yeah. 30. Yep. Yep. Stop out. Let's flip. See. She's going to push here. Curious to see a breakout push. Looking for a breakout push, breakout push. There it is. Just made that back. There it is. Bull's trying to come back. Bull's trying to bring it back. Bull's trying to bring it back. Let's see. I'll take a stop out here. They're pushing again. There you go, pushing again. Oh, yeah, they want to push to that VWAP at least. Oh, yeah, they're chilling right there off of that push. They want to break above it. Still waiting to see if they're going to get a push right here. They might not. They might get smacked back down. Hey, relax. It's my pit bull. Let's see. Moving the stop down. Let's see if we get a push. 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. See if we get a push, guys. Looks like it wants to push. Let's see. There's a push. There's the push. Definitely took some on that push. Took a little more on that push. Take one more on that push. See if we can get this chicken dinner, guys. Chicken dinner, chicken winner. Come on. Push it. Push it. Free trade. Looking for a breakout above VWAP. There it is. All right, stop me out. 400. We made it to the 400 mark. Woo, that was nice. That was nice. Little 15-minute little trade. And I think I'm done right here. Yeah, it's been holding up. Yep, 350 for sure. But now I hit VWAP, so now we can go ahead and drop it. But question is, they gonna push above? Oh shit! I didn't take that paper trade off my trading view. But that's a good example of what it is when you're just holding losers, right? So this trade here, paper, I forgot to take this off. Actually, I forgot to put risk on it. See how I had originally traded it and I just took my gains and I said, all right, cool. This right here is what it looks like if you're holding a loser. Down $1,000 right here. You've been screwed on your 50K account. So Yep, we'll close that out. But that was a good example. Now, for a short, now you want to see, again, you can just do, for shorting, it's kind of simple. You just do floor breaks. You floor break here, short, you cover the drop. So now your next short, you can take another short when you get another floor break here, and then you're good. So now you're chilling. You can go back on the chill mode, right? I'm up 400 on the day, which is pretty sick, pretty cool. But now we're in this range, in this 15-minute range. Now, if we get another floor break, then you go ahead and take the short. Right? It's a good little push on that last one. Again, they need to reclaim that 2400 for bulls to be in the zone, because they are just getting smoked off that 2387. They're getting rejected. Rejection times rejection. All right, they're getting denied. That was cool little scalping here and there. Scalp, scalp, scalp. Just gonna wait. We're gonna wait till 7:30. We're gonna see if we get anything at 7:30. But I'm good. I'm up. I was up 200 on the day, but now I'm up 400. So I doubled what I was originally up. Right. I could walk away here, and there's no shame in that game. No shame in taking your profits and dipping out for the day, which is probably what I'm about to do. I'm probably lock out the account right now. Let's see. So when on profits, I'll show you guys on this. So here's where we're at right now. This is green. Good stuff. Oh, that got better. 74%. See, this is more like it on the average. There we go. It was like 42 profit. That's kind of unrealistic, but this is good. 6.29. Looks like it's trying to go for a breakout again, but I'm cool. And this is better. 33, 23. That's better on wins and losses. This is better. 79. This is more realistic, what it looks like. But this looks good. About an average $400. That was, yeah. I'm gonna call it right here. I'm about to I'm about to say fuck this. Don't care if it pushes. Yep, there's the push. There's that push we were looking for. We were looking for that breakout push. But okay, and locked out. Boom. We are locked out. Here it is. Cannot trade this account anymore for the day. I locked myself out. I don't care that it keeps going. Don't give a damn if it reclaims. I'm going to take my profit and I'm out. I call that just controlling your greed. Take what the market gives you. This will probably push all the way back up to this level, which is fine. I'm cool with that. I've been so many times where I just overtrade, and I just fuck myself. So I'm definitely tired of fucking myself. So I'm out, guys. That's it. Good day. 400 on one account, 800 on the other account. I am done for today, guys. Good trading. About an hour. That's kind of what I want to do. Hour to hour and a half of trading. I want to get my money. I want to get out, and I want to go back to work. Good morning, wife. So I'm done for the day, guys. Thank you. He's right here. Thank you for the channel. Thank you for coming, checking me out. Make sure you guys share, subscribe. I appreciate it. Make sure you guys share with everybody. If you guys are learning something, I hope you are. You guys saw what it is to take some L's. I took, on stream 5-6 L's, and then I got my winners, scalped out, let a couple run, and that's how trading is. That's it. And then just emotions, controlling emotions is the biggest thing, controlling greed. Fucking facts, brother. Where else can you make 400 an hour from your house? Facts, man. I don't even make that working from my house remotely. Shit. I make maybe half of that. Fucking 8-hour span. So Good shit. Have a good one, guys. Stay up, stay safe. Shout out to my Florida people out there. Stay safe with the hurricane. My prayers will go out to everybody, and I pray for peace. Peace.